Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is manifestation of light. You have a new idea. It's time to hot to it. Write down a timeline. Meet those deadlines. Make sure you write down and make it plain of what you want to be done, and what you create, what you see in your head, what you feel in your intuition and your intelligence. Because this is going to be a step forward to propel you into the next level of prosperity, success, and freedom. It's not about surviving in life, it's about enjoying life. I see the beauty in me. I grow and develop my inner self in harmony with the light and beauty that I possess. I'm free. And I free myself from negativity. Negative vibes will teach you why you need to let these things go. Heart transforms to something warm where it attracts your crowd and your people. My intellect shines because you're a genius, and my inner light grows so the world can see you. You're becoming stronger and wiser every day. Continue to be on this pace because you're going to manifest what you're looking for. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.